Dear children, last day I taught you economics lesson third, poverty as a children. In this lesson, first taught you overview. After it, now or today, I am going to teach what is poverty. What is poverty? In this case, poverty, there are two types: urban poverty, rural poverty. In this chapter, some example given here, urban case और रूरल केस। ऐसा होता था अर्बन पॉवर्टी और रूरल पॉवर्टी, उसी के आधार पर अर्बन केस यहाँ पर दे रहे हैं। क्या है? यू लुक एट द पेज नंबर 371। लुक द पॉइंट अर्बन केस। 33 years old Lakshman works as a daily wage laborer in a feed flour mill near Ranchi in Jharkhand. He managed to earn around rupees 1,600 a month, but only when he finds employment, which is not often. The money is not enough to sustain his family of 6 members, including his wife and 4 children aged between 12 years to 6 months. He has to send money home to his old parents who live in a village near Rangar. His father, a landless laborer, depends on Lakshman and his brother Shyam, who lives in Hazaribagh, for sustenance. Lakshman lives in a one-room rented house. The house is in a crowded basti in the outskirts of the city. It's a makeshift snake building of bricks and clay tiles. His wife Seema works as a part-time maid in a few houses and manages to earn another rupees 700. They manage a merged meal of dal and rice twice a day, but they are never enough for all of them. His eldest son works as a helper in a dhaba to supplement the family income and earn another rupees 400. His 11 years old daughter takes care of the younger siblings. None of the children goes to school. They have only 2 pair of the hand-me-down clothes each. New ones are bought only when the old clothes become threadbare. Footwear are a luxury. They have no medical treatment when they fall ill. Rural case. Amar belongs to a small village near Meerut in Uttar Pradesh. His family owns no land, so they are compelled to do odd jobs for the big farmer. Work is erratic and so is income. At times they get paid rupees 60 for hard days work, but often it's in kind like a few kilograms of wheat or dal or even vegetable for working hard in the farm throughout the day. The family of seven cannot always manage two square meals a day. Amar lives in a kachar on the outskirts of the village. The women of the family spend the day chopping fodder and picking up firewood in the fields. His father, a TB patient, is converted to death about 2 years ago due to lack of treatment. His mother now suffers from the same disease and life is slow ebbing away. Although the village has a primary school, Amar never went there. He had started earning when he was 10 years old. New clothes happen once in a few years. Even soap and oil are a luxury for the family. Study the above case of poverty and discuss the following issues related to poverty: unemployment, landless, size of family, illiteracy, helpless, child labor, malnutrition, born weakness, and fatal disease. The above given two typical cases illustrate many dimensions of poverty. They show that poverty means as under. First है hunger and lack of shelter. Second, a situation wherein the parents are not able to send their children to school. Third, a situation where sick people cannot afford treatment. Fourth, lack of clean water and sanitation facilities. Fifth, lack of a regular job at a minimum decent level. Sixth, living with a sense of helplessness. A situation in which they are ill-treated at almost every place, in farmer factories, government offices, hospital, railway station staff. Obviously, nobody would like to live in poverty. One of the biggest challenges of the independent India has been to bring millions of its people out of abject poverty. Mahatma Gandhi always laid emphasis on the statement that India would be truly independent only when the poorest of its people become free of human suffering. Now, poverty as seen by social skills. Since poverty has many facets, social scientists look at it through a variety of indicators. First, usually the indicator relate to the level of income and consumption. Second, Now, poverty is looked through other social indicators as under illiteracy level, lack of general resistance due to malnutrition, lack of access to the healthcare, lack of job opportunities, lack of access to safe drinking water, sanitation, etc. Third, analysis of poverty on the basis of social exclusion and vulnerability is now becoming very common. These are explained as under social exclusion, and vulnerability next day.